Right. So now, what I want us to look at is the distributive division, right? So now, firstly, these are some of the steps that you need to follow when doing the distributive division, right? Now, firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to divide each term. So you're going to divide each term in the numerator by the divisor, right? And what is the divisor? It is the number that you're dividing with, right? So you're going to divide each term by the divisor. So the divisor is basically the number that you divide with, right? Here. Now, and then secondly, for you to do the distributive division, you need to simplify. After that, you're going to simplify if possible, right? If possible, you need to then provide what? You need to write it in simplified form, right? So now let's look at this example one. Now let's say this is 6a plus your 3b over your 3. Now, and then for you to divide here, what is it? So you're going to follow the first step, which is divide each term by the divisor, right? So which means you're going to take this term and also this term and divide it, right? So this is going to be same as 6a divided by this 3 plus your 3b also divide by 3. And now from here, what is it that you can do? Now you can start by saying now, what is going to be 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 is now going to give you 2. So this is going to be 2a. And here, now this 3 and this 3 are going to cancel each other. So actually, you are going to have 2a plus your b. So this is how you are going to use the distributive division. Now let's look at number 2. Now, in number 2, let's say you are given that you have 5x, you have 5x subtract 2y over your 2. Again, you follow the first step. The first step is what? You need to divide by the divisor both terms, right? So this is going to be same as 5x over 2 subtract 2y over 2. Now, is there anything that you can do here? Nothing. So this is going to be actually same as what? This is going to be same as 5x over 2. Subtract. Is there anything that you can do here? So yes, this 2 and these 2 can cancel each other. And so if these 2 cancel each other, so this is going to be 5x over 2 subtract y. And this is going to be your solution. Right? Now let's look at example 3. Let's see in terms of what we have in example 3. Now in example 3, let's say now you have 4 into negative 2 into negative 2x, let's say plus your 5 c, and you dividing by negative 5. Now, what is it that you are going to do now here? This one is a little bit different from number 1 and number 2, right? So which means you need to use a different technique, right? But luckily, firstly, we learned about the distributive law of multiplication. If you are not sure of that, please make sure that you check the video just before this one. You are going to find it, right? So which means what you need to do firstly here, now you're going to apply your BODMAS, right? So you're going to apply the law of BODMAS, which means you're going to multiply the bracket first, right? This P here to multiply the bracket, right? So which means this is going to be same as 4 into, and then when you say 4 multiplied by this one, so this is going to be same as, let's multiply this, distribute, this is 4 as negative 2x. Then this is going to be plus 4 into, right, 5c over negative 5. Isn't it so? And now from here, let's solve. This is going to be, this is same as 8, right? So this is going to be negative 8x or negative 8x. And this one is going to be plus, this one is going to be plus what? Let's see. This is going to be plus, this 4 and 5. This is going to give you 20. So this is going to be 20c over the negative 5. Are we together? And now, once you are here, now you are going to again now follow the steps. You divide by the divisor, right? So let's make some space here. So this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as negative 8x over negative 5. plus this other one is going to be 20c over -5. Are we together? And now what is it that you're going to have here? Look, now this is going to be 8 and -5. There's nothing that you can do, right? But negative divided by negative gives you a positive, right? So this is same as 8x over your what? Over your 5. I would get a negative divided by negative, it's going to give us positive, right? Now here, this positive and this negative is going to result in negative, right? So this is going to be negative. And when you say 20 divided by 5, what is 20 divided by 5? 20 divided by 5 is going to give you 4, right? So this is going to be -4c altogether. So this is as far as distributive division is concerned. Thank you.